Taking you outside for a live look at the Golden One Center in Sacramento this evening, where the Kings fans watch their team take on the Celtics. The Kings lost, though, 126-97. Also, a big announcement from state health officials will soon impact any fan heading to an indoor mega event like a Kings game. Effective April 1st, venues will no longer have to require proof of a vaccination or a negative COVID test for large events. And KCRA3's Orko Manna joins us live from Sacramento with the details and the reactions tonight, and I imagine some strong opinions on both sides. Orko?
That's right. This is a big deal for a lot of the larger venues in our area, such as here at Memorial Auditorium. Many places are reviewing the guidance right now, and some are ready to implement it, but the locals we spoke with are split on the potential changes.
I'm starting to feel that things are coming back to normal.
Another step in the right direction. That's how many are describing the latest update to the California Department of Public Health's COVID-19 guidance. It states that effective April 1st, people attending indoor mega events will no longer be required to show proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test. Instead, it will be strongly recommended. The Sacramento Kings and Golden One Center did not get back to us on if their policies will change, but some fans are ready for the restrictions to lift, saying they're tired of having to search for their vaccine cards.
Digging for it as we speak right now, yep. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun just to feel a little more free to go out and enjoy yourselves just like times used to be.
But others say they'd feel safer if the requirements stayed in place.
I think it's fairly reasonable to keep the vaccination policy and have the rapid testing centers outside. It seems to be working out pretty well. Why? And a good thing that's, not spreading the disease.
Venues such as the Safe Credit Union Convention Center and Memorial Auditorium also host indoor mega events, which are those with more than 1,000 people. In a statement to KCRA3, a spokesperson said, quote, "We are in the process of reviewing the guidance. We follow CDPH and county guidelines, but the clients who book the venue can set their COVID-19 rules beyond state and county guidance."
It'll be a nice break.
Jason Perry, general manager of ASM Stockton, which oversees Stockton Arena, tells me while the venue is now used to checking for vaccine status and COVID tests, it has been somewhat of a challenge.
It's just additional staffing that you need, and it's more of a juggling effect. It just slows the process down.
That's why he's looking forward to the updated guidance to kick in.
It's just one less hurdle. Instead of having to provide us with an ID and vaccine checks, you're just doing your security check, and then you're giving your ticket and you're coming into the building.
Again, the updated guidance takes effect April 1st, and even when that date comes, venues can still choose to keep the requirements as they are now. Reporting live in Sacramento tonight, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.
Orko, appreciate it. Thank you.